To put screen time monitor on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to add the screen time widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget, scroll down the widget screen. Tap digital well-being. Now tap and hold the screen time widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. If needed, you can do some customization for this widget. To do so, long tap the widget and then tap setting icon. Here you can change the background color to white or black. Adjust the widget transparency level to get more transparent or more solid widget. And also enable or disable match background color with dark mode. Once you are done customizing, tap Save button to save your change. With this widget, you can easily monitor your today's screen time from your home screen. If needed, you can manually update the screen time by tapping the refresh icon at the bottom right of the widget. Or you can single tap the widget to go to the digital well-being menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.